What's up, guys? I just wanted to do an update on the stuff that I now own. I traded in for the 450 and the CR250R for a 2015 Can-Am Outlander 1000, which is right here. But just your typical stock 1000. It is the XMR, so it's got the extended wheelbase and the water wheelie, whatever it's called. But it's mechanically sound. I had to replace the right rear axle because it was clicking every time I'd back up. It would click, and I got a hitch for it. And I'm gonna get a Tiger Tail, and I also have a D-ring that goes in the back just in case I need to get pulled out or something. Has an HMF slip-on. I think it's a slip-on. I don't know if it's a full exhaust or not, but it comes with your typical 30-inch silverbacks. Just the only thing it needs is probably a new seat, plastic, a bar pad. I mean, it runs perfect. But here, I'll start it up real quick. It's just smoking right now because it's cold. I mean, it's like 30 something degrees. It just got finished snowing. Didn't stick, but I'll start making videos on this soon. I'm going riding this weekend, go to Carolina Adventure World. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.